Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and today I thought it would be fun to share with you guys some very quick, easy, healthy summer desserts. Now, I did a snack version of this a few weeks ago, but I wanted to share a kind of dessert version of this because I think in the summer people like to, be outdoors, and if you have a backyard, you want to be out there and kind of enjoy the evening, and everyone loves having dessert at the end of their evening. So I thought this would be perfect for the summertime. So if you guys like summer desserts, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So for my first summer dessert, I have in front of me an acai bowl. Now, acai is a superfood. You will find it at all the juice bars, health bars, smoothie bars. And yeah, you can top it with anything that you want, a bunch of fruits, nuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, anything. It's so good for you, and a lot of people like to have it right for breakfast after they work out. So for my acai bowl, I have these pure unsweetened acai juice packets that I bought from Whole Foods. And what I did with that was I blended it with a little bit of unsweetened vanilla almond milk and added a little bit of agave for some sweetness. And so I blended that all up. Sometimes, like I'm showing you, I will add a banana to it as well to add a little bit more creaminess to it, and that way it also keeps me full for longer. So, and then I just pour it out in a bowl. You can see that it's a beautiful consistency. And then I add some raspberries, strawberries, and blueberries to the top of it. So you guys, this is so delicious. I am absolutely obsessed with having these as desserts. Sometimes I'll even have it for breakfast. A lot of people like to have it for breakfast as well. So, oh, so good. And I love berries. You guys know that I love berries. These berries are from the farmer's market, so they're even better and fresh. So good. All right, so for my next summer dessert, I have some grilled peaches. Peaches is also one of my favorite fruits, and right now it's in season, and I love to grill it because, everybody loves barbecuing in the summer. You don't have to dirty up any pan in the kitchen. You can just toss this in your grill and it's ready to go in about 5 to 10 minutes. And for me, just to show you guys, I did it on a stovetop. You can totally do that as well. So what I did was I first cut my peaches in half, took out the seed, and then in a little pan, I melted some butter, about 1 to 2 teaspoons of butter. And then as soon as the butter was nice and melted and a little bit hot, I went ahead and put the grilled peaches face down in the pan. And then I let it sit there for 5 minutes undisturbed before moving it or anything. And then before you know it, in about another 5 minutes, it was done. And then I just topped it off with some cinnamon just to add a little bit more flavor to it, and then yogurt. Now, a lot of times, if I feel like I deserve it, I will add a little scoop of vanilla ice cream instead of the yogurt, but the yogurt kind of keeps it light. And in essence of Tastefully Balanced, you always have to have lighter versions too. So this is so good, I already know. Something about grilling the peaches really brings the sweetness to another level. It's so good. So next time you guys have a barbecue, grab a bunch of peaches and grill them up. You will not regret it. All right, so for my next summer dessert, this, I will admit to you, is something I was not really familiar with. I actually, when I did my summer snack episode a few weeks ago, a subscriber of mine wrote in the comments how they love chocolate hummus. And chocolate hummus is something I've never heard of. And so sure enough, I saw a ton of recipes out there for chocolate hummus. So for my next dessert, is chocolate hummus. And so for the chocolate hummus, all I did was take a can of garbanzo or chickpeas. I put it in my NutriBullet, and then I added some cocoa powder, unsweetened cocoa powder, a little bit of peanut butter, some agave for sweetness, and then also a little bit of vanilla extract. And then what I did is I blended that all together until it was nice and creamy. And to help it a little bit, I did add a little bit of water, but not very much at all, maybe a couple tablespoons at most, just to help it blend. But once it was all good, it was nice and creamy, just like hummus. And then I just added some strawberries to eat it with. So guys, it sounds odd, and believe me, I thought it would be odd too, but honestly, it's so good. Who would think? And it's such a healthy dessert because hummus is so good for you. So, it's got such a nice creamy chocolateness to it. I mean, and you can add more agave. I tried to add not that much, 1/4 cup, but if you want even more sweeter, definitely add a little bit more agave, because this is perfect for me, paired with the strawberries, which are very sweet. So, so good. All right, so for my last dessert, I have this delicious cinnamon yogurt dip. And this dip is so creamy, so sweet, just pairs perfectly for all the in-season fruits that we have right now. So to make this very easy yogurt dip, all I did was add a little bit of cream cheese, light cream cheese, or the 1/3 fat cream cheese. And then I added some Greek yogurt, non-fat Greek yogurt, and then a little bit of brown sugar, agave, cinnamon, and a little bit of vanilla extract. And then I just mixed that all together until it was nice and combined. And then to kind of pair it with, I chopped up an apple, and then I also chopped up a pear, both of which are totally in season, so very nice and sweet. So then I just put it on a plate, and here you guys go. So this is so simple, so good, so easy to whip up if you have all the ingredients. It's just so delicious. And I love pears. Pears are one of my favorite fruits too. I have a lot of favorite fruits apparently, so, but this is so good. I'm not a huge fan of apples, so with the dip though, so good. And then the cinnamon just kind of complements the whole entire thing so well. So, all right, there you guys go. Those are just some of my new favorite summer desserts that I'm very much enjoying right now. Some of them are not so new, like the acai bowl I've been having for a long time, but others, like that chocolate hummus, is a new discovery that I'm absolutely loving right now. And then I just love having all the fresh in-season fruits right now, as you guys already know from my last summer snacks video. But anyways, if you guys like summer desserts, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And let me know what your favorite summer dessert is, and if it's very quick and easy to whip up, and even if it's not, just let me know in the comments. So as always, live life tastefully balanced.